This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on AAVE yesterday. So AAVE I noticed setting up here at the R3 Camarilla pivot level for a potential trade idea of an R3 to an S3 traverse. We'll go through the top-down analysis here on the weekly. So this is the previous week high. This is the previous strong low. And this is the current strong low. We can see here in these two candles here, there's a market structure. There's a market structure shift here on the weekly to the short side that takes out this previous strong low here. And now this strong low is in effect. We get some pullback here from this level. Here on the 4-hour, we have the actually on the 4-hour, let's make an adjustment here. Okay. So here we have the here on the 4-hour. This is the current strong low, current week high. So we can see that AAVE has been trading in this range here. Here at my entry, here on the upper half of the range, and then taking the exit down here near the lower end of the range. I'll walk you through the 15-minute to walk you through the entry. This is a Fibonacci retracement tool right here. I'll take this off so we can see the price action. It's just to help me get a better detail here on the entry. So when I took this entry, I was taking a different entry style here based on the potential of this order block. Just trying to get early positioning to be able to survive any pullbacks or anything before the move I would be anticipating. But now I've shifted that strategy to just basically using market structure here at the open. So this being the strong low, this being the week high here of the open. And then we can see here, what do we get here? We get a market structure shift here to the short side with this close below and this continuation. And then this price action starts to reverse here at this candle. So I would set a Fibonacci, or I'll walk you through that. Set a Fibonacci level here from the top and run it down here. And this would give me ideas of pullback to this order block here. About where I would want to take an entry. So for here, I would probably want to take an entry here at this 170.02 or this 0.79 level, which would give me entries here and here. Probably with these three wicks right here would likely give me an entry on that level here. Now we'll remove the Fibonacci tool. So with these pullbacks, and then you can see we get the sell-off here. But the target for this trade idea is down here at the S3 level. You can see it comes close a couple times, but fails to actually meet the target, especially from with trying to cover and with the bid-ask spread trying to cover and get the ask down to this level. But you can see the price never reaches down here to the target level. I wound up taking an exit here once the price action came up above these two buy candles here. And as you can see, price has been consolidating a bit. Just reached the level here, but this was a new day. As a day trader, I want to get out of there. So I wound up exiting this position, which you can see it did. Price did go up again, and I would not have liked to have been stuck in this. Price did sell off again, which is good, but yeah, just wanting to exit the position because it had been, or the crypto market had shifted into a new day. But this was my trade on AAVE, and this is on Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.